Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how I created this neutral, glittery, but still pretty wearable look. I'm starting by filling in my eyebrows with MAC's Brow Powder in the color Lingering. Here I'm taking a spoolie brush just to make sure the powder is evenly distributed throughout my brow. And then with my Tarte Shape Tape and a tiny thin brush, I'm going to go ahead and carve out the shape of my brow. I am pulling the concealer down as well just to go ahead and start what I'm going to be doing here to kind of conceal the color on my eyelid. I'm blending down that concealer, and then I'm also going to grab a little bit more that I had on the back of my hand and go ahead and conceal all of my eyelid. This also works as a primer. Now I'm taking my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder and I am setting my concealer. For this look, I am taking the Jaclyn Morphe palette, and I'm starting by taking this light neutral color and I am blending that through all of my crease up towards my brow bone. Now with this warmer, more mustard color, I am also putting that in my crease, just not taking it quite as high this time. Now I'm taking a blending brush and just blending those two colors in together to make sure there are no sharp or harsh lines. Now I'm taking this brick color right here and I'm putting that on the outer half of my crease. Once again, blending all of those colors in together. I wasn't 100% happy with the level of warmth in this look, so I decided to take this orange color right here and add that to the upper half of my crease, once again going up towards my brow bone. I did this just to kind of help warm the look up even more. I'm taking this red right here and adding that to the outer half of my crease once again. Now with this brick color, once again, I'm going to go ahead and kind of lay the foundation of where I want the smoke of this look to be at. Now to add the depth, I am taking this brown color and I am strictly putting that on the outer V. Now, once again, I'm taking my big fluffy brush and I'm blending in all of the colors together. Taking Soft Ocre Paint Pop by MAC, I'm going to go ahead and start to cut the crease. I'm only going about halfway onto my eye with this. Now I'm taking this glitter by Stila, and this is in the color Bronzed Bell, and I'm going ahead and putting that right over top of where the Soft Ocre paint pot is at. I'm using a smaller flat brush just to make sure none of the glitter overlaps where the shadow is at. Now I am taking Double Gleam by MAC and I'm going right at the top of where the glitter starts. I'm doing this just to create a little bit of depth to the cut crease, if that makes sense at all. Now I'm taking Gold Light Strobe Cream by MAC, and this is one of my favorite moisturizers ever, and specifically for under makeup because it gives such a pretty glowy look without actually changing how dewy or how matte the foundation is. Now I'm taking some Ardel lashes. I can't remember exactly which number they are. I will write it down below in the description. I'm also adding some mascara to blend my falsies in with my real lashes. For foundation today, I'm using the NYX Total Control foundation, and I am applying that with a Morphe sponge. I know this foundation looks a lot darker than my face, but I had just self-tanned my body, so my body's a lot darker than my face. Now with my Tarte Shape Tape in the color Light Sand, I'm applying that underneath my eyes, on my chin, and along the bridge of my nose. Once again, I am blending that out using my Morphe sponge. If you guys have not tried this Morphe sponge, you absolutely should. I think it is my favorite non-beauty blender sponge. Like usual, I'm just setting all of this with my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. Now to contour and bronze my face, I'm using my Anastasia contouring kit in the color light to medium. I like to use the color right in the middle of the two darkest colors. Now taking the same contouring shade, I'm using an angled brush to go ahead and contour my nose. I like to use this kind of banana colored shade from the kit and put that right along the bridge of my nose to highlight. Now I'm taking Orgasm Blush by Nars and applying that to the apples of my cheeks. Now I'm going in with the same mustard color as before, and I'm applying that to my lower lash line. Using this warm brown color, I'm also going on my lower lash line. I'm just not bringing it as far down this time. I'm using this nude color liner by MAC in my waterline to kind of brighten up my eyes. For gloss, I'm using Sugar Rim by MAC, which is a super glittery, super sheer pink lip gloss. I did kind of find, though, that my lips looked like they were just kind of disappearing into my face, so I grabbed some Whirl lip liner by MAC and very lightly lined my lips just enough to the point where you could see where they started and ended. Now I'm taking Champagne Pop, and I am adding that to my cheekbones along the bridge of my nose and my temples. I'm also applying that right underneath my brow, and it is just my absolute favorite underbrow highlight. Gotta pop it on the inner corners too. And there you go, guys. This is the completed look. If you guys liked how this one came out, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. See you next time.